guys, it's Amy with A2Z Stamping, and today I wanted to show you how to make these cute little just treat holders for a standard size Hershey bar. Isn't that so sweet? And it's just a cute little box that you can open and close, and these are perfect for treats for end of the school year. I've done these before for my son's birthday for the treats he brings to class. You could do them for all kinds of things, and they're really easy to make, so I thought I'd show you guys how. All right, so you need a piece of designer series paper or cardstock that you've stamped a design on. And I'm going to grab paper from the new Share What You Love suite. So this side has this mint macaron paper with all the different colored flowers. It has this pretty writing on the other side, but I'm going to go with this. So you need a piece that measures 7 by 7. So I'm going to go ahead and just cut this down. All right, 7 by 7. Okay. And then the next thing I want to do is grab out my envelope punch board, like so. And let me grab out my little my little tool here. So I'm actually going to start with it facing this direction, and I want to put it in at 2 inches. And I'll show you why I'm starting it facing this direction in a second. If your design doesn't matter which way it goes, it doesn't matter where you start. So I'm going to put it at 2 inches, and I'm going to punch and score. So you just line up your little styling tool and score. You see right here, you line it up right there, and it fits in this little groove, and that's what does the scoring. Okay, then I'm going to line it up at 2.5 inches. And I'm going to punch and score. Come on, there we go. Now I'm just going to rotate it 90 degrees, and this time I'm going to line up my score lines right here where it says score guide with this little pokey piece. So I'm going to line up, and I'm going to punch and score, and line up the second one, punch and score. And I'm going to do the same thing on the next 2 sides. So line up my score line, punch, score, punch, score. And one more time. We're going to punch and score and punch and score. All right, so at this point, this is what it looks like. And now I just want to round these 2 corners of these shorter, skinnier pieces. And you have a corner rounder right here on the back. So I'll go ahead and do those. Okay. Then I'm going to burnish my score line, so I should have 2 on each end. I love this cardstock, this Love What You Share. It is really thick and perfect for bags and boxes, which are things you know I love to make. This is really thick paper. All right, so now it looks like this. Now, the reason I started with my paper facing this direction, you can see, is when I close it up, I didn't want it to be upside down, and I didn't want it to be sideways since they're flowers. It wouldn't really have mattered if I had done them this way, honestly, with this design, but that's just what I decided to do. So this way is the way it goes. And like I said, it really totally didn't matter with this design, but to me, that seemed like up, and this seemed like down. Okay. So we're going to grab our paper snips here. And right here, there's a little tiny square. We're just going to snip up just to the first score line on both sides to make a little tiny tab. Okay, then we need to grab our paper trimmer back out, or you can just use your scissors if you prefer. And we're going to, let me fold this down, we're just going to cut off about 1.5 inches. So go ahead and line this up at the top, and we're going to just put our arrow right to about 1.5 as best you can. It doesn't matter if it's not perfectly straight, and we're just going to trim that off. So there's one, and I need to do the same on this side. So I want to cut off right about 1.5 inches. So we're going to line it up again, and there we go. All right. So we're left with something like this. So at this point now, I'm going to grab my Hershey bar and place that. It should fit perfectly right in there. Actually, I'm going to push this down just so it's not getting in my way. All right, and this is going to fold over. I like to close the bottom. So push your little tabs in and put this little flap in. This one's going to go right over the top like so. And then you see these little tabs will go down and that'll fit right in. So I'm just gonna grab my snail here. Put this one down. Come on. And actually, I'll show you if you prefer, you can put your tabs in when it's done. So I'm going to line this up perfectly. It should fit right on the edge. I'm just gonna put my snail adhesive all the way on here. And this will just fold over. And it won't go all the way to the edge, but pretty close. You should be able to feel it. All right, and then these ends you can just slide right in. The cool thing about this is it's not sealed shut, so you could make these boxes with nothing in them right now and then fill them later if you need to. Gotta get my tab down, there we go. Oh. I guess it would help if I put both tabs down, wouldn't it? All right, let's get that in there one more time. The other nice thing is this box could technically be reusable since we're not sealing the ends. But if you want to seal the ends, go ahead and do that. It's really up to you. All right, so there's our cute little box holding our Hershey bar. All right, so then of course we have to decorate it, which is really the most fun part. So what I did is I grabbed the Woodward stamp set and the Wood Crate Framelit dies. And I cut out this, I'm gonna do this, cut out this little tag that comes with it. And I'm doing the For You stamp. And I've already got that right here. And I've got some Tranquil Tide ink. And I'm gonna stamp that onto some brand new, well, I guess it's not brand new, it's a returning color, Mint Macaron. So I'm going to just go ahead and ink that up and give that a nice stamp right there. Looks good. All right, so let me move all this out of my way, and I'm gonna grab my Big Shot here. And we'll go ahead and we'll run this through the Big Shot. I just have my magnetic platform, a cutting plate. I'm gonna lay this on here. And what did I just do with that die? Hopefully, do you guys see it? Hopefully I didn't just lose it, which would not be the first time that has happened. Okay, seriously. Okay, everybody pause. What did I just do with the die? There it is. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and lay it right over this. Actually, I'm going to flip it around this way. Okay. And I'm going to run this through real quick. And I actually want another tag in our silver foil. I'm gonna move that one out of the way, and I'm gonna grab some of our silver foil. That's why I always hold on to all my scraps. And I'm gonna cut one out there, because you never know when you're just gonna need a little tiny piece. Okay. Put my Big Shot away. All right, so I've got this little tiny guy and this little tiny guy. Aren't they so cute? So now I'm gonna just wrap it around, and I'm gonna use the silver, I guess it's the white with silver twine. This is something that we currently carry and it's carrying over. So I'm going to, that way was upside down. Okay, so I'm just gonna wrap it around, and I don't need too much, so I'm gonna cut a piece off here. I love this baker's twine with the silver in it though, so pretty. All right, and I'm gonna tie a knot that way, and then I'm gonna tie one this way. There we go, so now it'll stay a knot. Okay, and I'm going to, let's see, feed this right through here. Maybe, come on. It shouldn't be that hard, right? There we go. Hopefully, I can tie another knot, or not a knot, I'm just gonna tie a bow. Loop around, pull it tight. Don't want it that big. These little tiny details though are really what make these little treats, in my opinion, make them super cute and special. Sorry, I'm moving off the screen. Come on. Okay, I can see this is gonna drive me crazy. There we go. Sorry, I needed to move my knot. Try this one more time. I'm excited to get all the new ribbon in the new catalog, which we can start ordering from on June 1st. Even I can't start ordering from it till June 1st. But there was some items I could get early as a demonstrator, but not all of them. And I can't wait to get my hands on all that new ribbon. All right, and let's go ahead and trim this down. And that is my cute little favor box for you. And again, here's the one I did earlier. So the paper, it's different, but it's from the same pack, the Share What You Love. Isn't that gorgeous paper? And aren't these so fun? And really, it's late, you guys, when I'm making this video. I don't totally have my act together. But these really are very easy to make, and I think they're cute little boxes, and they're really sturdy too. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and you'll make your own little Hershey treat boxes. Wouldn't these be fun little gifts at a meeting, or to give to coworkers or friends or anybody really? Teacher end of the year gifts, throw that in with a $5 gift card for coffee or something. Wouldn't that be sweet? Or makeup. I don't know, a little s'mores package. I think it'd be cute. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. And I'd love it if you come over and join me on my Facebook group, A2Z Stamping. Thanks, guys. Bye.